welcome back to this channel with me, Dina Martini. So all of you already know that the world is in a bad condition. Yes, the world is sick because there are viruses that are exploring the world. You must already know that virus, COVID-19, or better known as the coronavirus, first discovered in Wuhan, China, has spread and infected and killed millions of people around the world very quickly. A coronavirus is a virus that is found in animal and can be transmitted from animals to human and then spread person to person. In addition to COVID-19, other human coronaviruses have included the MERS and the SARS. COVID-19 symptoms range from mild to severe. It takes 2 until 14 days after exposure for symptoms to develop. Symptoms may include fever, cough, shortness of breath, and those with weakness immune system may develop more serious symptoms such as pneumonia or bronchitis. The COVID-19 virus can spread through contact with certain bodily fluids such as droplets in a cough. It may also be caused by touching something and an infected person has touched it and then touch your hand to your mouth, nose, or eyes. Virus can be prevented or avoided by social distancing practice. Avoid people who are sick or meeting in large groups. Stay home if you are sick. Cover your cough with a tissue or cough into your upper sleeve or elbow. Don't cough into your hands. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, and after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 90% alcohol. Always wash hands with soap and water if hands are visibly dirty. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, and eyes. There is currently no vaccine for treatment for COVID-19. Symptoms of a coronavirus usually go away on their own. If symptoms feel worse than a common cold, contact your doctor. However, infected patients can also be asymptomatic, meaning they don't display any symptoms despite having the virus in their system. Meanwhile, a growing number of countries have introduced a series of sweeping measures to slow the spread of the coronavirus, including nationwide lockdowns, bans on gatherings, closure of schools, restaurants, bars, and sport clubs, as well as issuing mandatory work from home decrees. International airlines have canceled flights the world over. Some countries have banned non-citizens from entering their territories, and several more have evacuated their citizens from aboard. And now the world is undergoing quarantine. All activities are carried out at home, including work, study, prohibited leaving the house if there is nothing important, social distancing, and so on. And now mouth masks and hand sanitizer are very rare and sold with the very high prices. So now I want to tell you what my family and I did while at home because of the coronavirus. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first is my father's activities. After the lockdown, my father only worked as a pullman, but at home he looks very busy. He is busy editing videos for his YouTube content. Yeah, my father has 2 YouTube channels with the same content, but I won't tell you the name of his YouTube because I know you guys are definitely not interested to know, right? My father from morning till morning again always look at his handphone to edit because he had to upload videos every day on his YouTube channel. The second is my mother. My mother still works as usual, yeah, because she's a housewife. But sometimes my mother likes to complain because stall close very quickly, and my mother also like to confuse about what to cook because many stall around my house are closed, so we often eat eggs now. And the third is my brother. I think this situation is very favorable for him because he's very in love with his bed. He rarely goes out of his room. He just goes out to eat and goes to the bathroom. Maybe he is busy doing his assignment because he's a 4th semester student. Actually, I rarely enter his room, so I don't know for sure what he did. Sometimes I see him watching anime, and sometimes I see him reading online comics. Last is me. What I do while at home is first do an online class. To reduce the spread of coronavirus, lesson on campus was changed to online classes. And because we cannot meet face to face with the lecture finally gives an assignment or doing a video conference. Honestly, I really don't like this system, especially in using video conference. Why? Because the first is signal problems. If the signal is not good, it is very hampered uploading the assignment and also listening to the presentation. And because many are accessing at the same time, the system has become jammed and error. So also when doing video conferencing, when the signal isn't good, the video paused, so I skip a few explanations. And the second is requires a lot of quota. Because I don't have Wi-Fi, so I have to prepare a large amount of quota. And if all lecturers have a video conferencing, you can imagine how much money I have to spend just to buy a quota. There is no activity. I usually only eat, sleep, listen to music, and also watch movies. This situation make me want to watch a movie that is similar to this situation, and I found a film. The title is The Flu. Actually, this film tells about avian influenza, but the storyline and the situation are similar as now. I really recommend this movie because this movie is really cool. You have to watch it if you never watched it before. The second film that I watched and that I like is Cold Eyes. This film tells about a detective who has an extraordinary ability to remember. You have to watch this film because it's an amazing movie, very cool and very exciting. And also sometimes I read e-books. The book that I read is The School for Good and Evil from Soman Cheneni. This book has 6 series. The first is The School for Good and Evil. The second is A World Without Prince. The third is The Last Ever After. The fourth is Case of Glory. The fifth is The Crystal of Time. And the last is One True King. Of the 6 books, I only have 4 books. Actually, written in the third book is finished, but I don't know, there is still continuation in the 4th to 6th book. The book is thick, about 500 pages, and I just finished one of the 4 books that I have. Yeah, because I don't have much time to read it because there are many assignments that I have to do. This book is very amazing. The adventure story is very exciting. I hope this book can be made into a film because this is very amazing. For you guys who like to read fantasy novel, you must read this book. It's amazing, really. So that's my activity and also my family while at home because of coronavirus. And for you guys, don't forget to take care of your health, wash your hands, don't touch your face, stay away from the crowd, and stay at home. I hope we all avoid the coronavirus, and hopefully this pandemic will quickly pass. And also don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe because it's free. No, don't comment, just like and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.